For our ports to thrive in the future, they have to build resistance against climate change whilst responsibly unlocking commercial opportunity. At the Port of Tilbury in Essex, the engineering company Jacobs is at the heart of an ambitious plan to help shape the port's low-carbon, sustainable future. Duncan Golestani reports.
Across more than 1,000 acres, the Port of Tilbury is London's major port. Each year it handles cargo with a value of around £8.7 billion. But look closely and there's more than economic activity here, there's major environmental work too. Team 2100 is the Environment Agency's 10-year programme to refurbish and replace tidal flood defences in London and the Thames Estuary. Jacobs is part of the Team 2100 integrated team.
In terms of future-proofing the port infrastructure, we're replacing a number of the assets alongside the lock gates that we're replacing, and we're making sure that those are designed to accommodate the loads that we expect to see in the future from those higher flood levels, but also making sure they're able to resist the increased climate conditions, and also making sure that they're durable but also versatile.
Jacobs is not just protecting people from the water, but protecting the water itself too. The Thames Tideway Tunnel is a 25-kilometre super sewer which will clean up the river and ensure the sewer system can serve London for at least the next 100 years. It's the largest water infrastructure project ever undertaken in the UK, and the programme has sustainability at its heart.
The huge scale of our project means there's a huge amount of materials that need to be moved. We're cleaning up the river, but we're also very close to the river, which allows us opportunities to utilise the river to bring the materials in or excavated materials out. London, as we know, is a very congested city, and using the river means that we can take the congestion off the roads.
With the M25 close by, the roads in this part of the country are already very busy, and Tilbury is an important gateway. The Port of Tilbury is well placed to handle cargo for London and the South East, with 16 million tonnes coming through each year. And what comes by water can easily link up to road and rail, and that's important because in logistics, connections are key. An integrated approach between the different modes helps ensure not just a reliable and robust network, but also helps reduce the environmental impact of supply chains.
Reducing our environmental impact in freight and logistics transport is through an integrated approach between the different modes, so rail, water, road, and working together to create an integrated solution. So collaborating together is really important. And of course, technology will play a major role in delivering our aspirations. But for me, I think that collaboration element is really essential to truly being able to create sustainable supply chains.
As a business, the port has made itself greener. 4 wind turbines supply around 80% of its power, but the port is also contributing to other companies' sustainability by helping reduce their carbon footprint.
If you look at the population that lives close to us, so within 75 miles, we have 23 million people. So that's why ports play a vital role in making sure that goods can come in, but also ports are now starting to be seen as industrial clusters. So raw materials coming in, being processed, final product being delivered out. So, you know, they are real drivers of the economy because they are not just ports for bringing goods in, they have all of the associated manufacturing that goes with it.
Unsurprisingly, the Port of Tilbury is expanding, and with it more connections to road and rail, ensuring it remains at the heart of future growth in London and the South East.